How you doing, Garage Door Mike? We're inside the truck. Alright, so this is going to be part 2 of the operator spring job. And as you can see, there's lots of shiny chrome stuff, and that's going to be all these nice new nuts and bolts with these nice new black hinges with these nice new zinc plated wheels. Okay, all new rollers. Almost every roller fell off the stem because of the grease. I'm gonna see if we still got the bucket. I'll show you what that does. Couple new intermediate hinges here and there. Okay, that's a newer hinge. There's the new spring system slash operator with the new drums and cables on there. All new hinges there, almost everyone's new. And sometimes, you know, this is the right move, you know, you get a repair done, you save about $1,000-ish, and you move on. You know, if something else happens with this one, then we'll get the repeat business. These people come back to us all the time. All the time. We get multiple repeats. I don't even do probably a quarter of the videos that I do because so many people come here. I just don't have time to do the videos, man. But here's the tracks. We kind of cleaned these suckers out, soaked these with lube and scraped all that gook out of there. And let me see real quick. Hey, where's that bucket with all those bad parts? Can you get one of your gloves on? Or I will, so we could show the people some of them frickin' junk wheels that came out of there. I'm gonna get down here. Here we go. There is a wheel right there, right off the stem. It just froze. No? Hold on.
There's some junk in here.
Oh, there's a juicy one right there. That one. Yeah, there's a messed up, total decapitated hinge. Look at that still blue Loctite on there. Look at that. That one right there looks like it's juicy. Like, yeah, so when you get these things all gummed up with all that grease in there, that's terrible. That one right there. See it right there? Yup. Let me see that. Move that one. Look at that. That is garbage. So that's what grease, that's good enough, dude. They're all like that. I showed them the cables already.
A bunch of the hinges were snapped in half. So
yeah, that's just, I don't even know. That's just disgusting. You got anything? Yeah, there's another hinge that's broke. A bucket of shame.
Some messed up stuff.
There it is, the bucket of shame. They want to fix it, so we fixed it. We fixed it. We gave them all new parts. Thing comes down. Let me show you the back side here. Oh! There it is. All fixed. All new. New cable keepers. New cables. Dunsky. You can see some of the panels here are a little bit wampus, so put those nice fender washers on there. Suck it up. Good job. We'll send it, man. This one's done. Sent. Innovative 630-271-9343 www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. Check us out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Without you, it don't happen. You guys have a blessed day, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching part 2.